Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Below is an informative tutorial explaining how to count the number of words in a Python program without using the len function. It also addresses potential errors that might occur in your code. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to count the number of words in a Python program without using the len function. We'll also address potential errors that might arise and how to fix them. If you're facing an unexpected error in your Python code that is related to counting the number of words without using the len function, there might be several reasons behind it. It's essential to understand the requirements and constraints of your code before attempting to solve the issue. One of the most common errors is a syntax error. This error occurs when the syntax of the code is incorrect. For example, not closing a parenthesis or missing a colon in a loop can lead to a syntax error. Ensure that your code is properly structured with the correct syntax. Example. Solution: add a colon after the range function in the loop. A logic error occurs when the program does not produce the expected output due to flawed logic or algorithm. For instance, in a word counting program, incorrect logic might lead to an incorrect word count. Example. Solution: adjust the logic to correctly count the words, such as initializing the word count to 1 and counting spaces between words. Runtime errors occur during the execution of the program. Common runtime errors include division by zero, trying to access an index that doesn't exist, or trying to perform an unsupported operation. Example. Solution: ensure that the code is not trying to access elements that are beyond the length of the list. Here's an example of how to count the number of words in a string without using the len function. This code snippet initializes the word _count variable to 1 and increments it whenever a space is encountered. In this tutorial, we discussed how to count the number of words in a Python program without using the len function. We also highlighted common errors that might occur and provided solutions to address these issues. Remember to thoroughly understand the requirements and constraints of your code, and check for syntax, logic, and runtime errors to ensure a smooth execution of your program. I hope this tutorial helps you understand the process of counting words in Python and troubleshoots any errors you might encounter. If you have any further questions or need additional clarification, please feel free to ask ChatGPT.